here are the ingredients. And for the octopus, it should be 18 minutes of boiling per kilogram. How to cook pulpo? First, how do you do that? Second, and third. I know, there's fourth. And the last one is to fully put it there. One last try, or two last try.
No, the octopus is here.
Oh yeah, this is very scary octopus. The dead octopus.
Asustado. One last. Para ver si.
We're being screamed.
Okay.
And we're still vlogging. So scare the octopus first. First scare.
Estamos con una,
Second.
dos,
Third scare.
tres.
And the last is to drop, right?
Yeah.
And
Now it's
voila.
18 minutes per kilo of octopus. Octopus is only interesting. And it's fine.
Okay.
After being cooked, I check with the scissors how well cooked it is. It should be a little bit hard, not peel. You see, it's not peel, but not super hard. So when you cut it, it should be a little bit tough, but not too much. You see,
It's perfect.
it's perfect. You see, I didn't press too much, but it's not soft.
Can you do it again?
Look, like this. You see?
Okay. Oof, that's hard to again. Okay.
So later on, I will put it here for the moment. When we're gonna eat it, I will cut it into pieces of 1 centimeter, except the tips, that they can be longer. Okay. And now I will remove all, and I will put the potatoes.
For boiling.
Mm.
Okay. Can we eat rice with it?
No,
Come on.
possible. Why not? But normally it's the cachelos, the potatoes I'm gonna cook.
Okay. So here are the potatoes, the peeled potatoes. Yeah, well, peeled and sliced. How'd you call this dish?
Pulpo a la gallega.
Pulpo a la gallega. I have to say it slowly.
So now you boil again. Now I finish boiling it. I check and I let it stay on it around 5 minutes after being boiled. Now without any fire. And now
But nothing is there, yeah?
nothing is there. I'm reheating again for the
It's a broth
putting
and then
the
potatoes. Okay.
can be reused, for example, for a paella.
Okay. So after boiling the potatoes, the broth can be used for paella.
Before it can be used now. You see?
Okay.
When it didn't have salt, now is when I add the salt.
Okay.
And this one is meant to have thick salt.
You're gonna add salt.
Uy. No, no
That's
mess.
it?
Potatoes in big pieces. This one it will take around 12 minutes. You can make only half of the potato and it will take like 15 minutes. But this one, yeah, 10-12 minutes. I think it will be cooked already.
So let's wait for around 12 minutes. We'll be back.
No?
What are the ingredients? We have salt. We have paprika powder, non-spicy, and paprika powder spicy.
Spanish paprika.
Spanish
This is
paprika.
very important.
Special. Okay. So
So now it's kind of easy.
so the potatoes
They've been cooking the same. 15 minutes, really. Or slightly more actually. 15 minutes would be enough. Okay.
the cooked pulpo or octopus. In Tagalog, pogita. Yeah.
So this one can stay whole, you know. You see? So and this one normally is better. Well, the closer you get to the root, let's say, the thicker should be. The thicker, not the thinner. Now they should be like around 1 centimeter, maybe. Wait, this one run away.
Come, pick it down, scissors.
So you got a few pieces. Okay. This one you have to have.
Pick the other one. Salt, yeah, here we go.
Normally it should be rock salt, but today I'm lacking rock salt. Okay. And you can put salt also on the potatoes. Okay. Now the powder.
You. You're showing it or what?
Mm-hmm. Powder. We put a little bit.
Paprika powder, I think you can just buy it in the supermarket. Well, there's a Spanish.
Pimentón de la Vera, better.
There's a.
So you can see. You can add
Spicy one.
the spicy one. That's a spare. However you want. As your taste. And a little bit of oil.
Yeah, here we use olive oil, but you can use any other oil.
No.
Maybe sunflower oil.
No, it's
No?
better, it's much better.
Yeah, the olive oil.
Yeah,
we
there's a
don't
big
have olive
difference.
oil in the Philippines.
Okay.
We
Try
do
to
have, but it's expensive.
for the closest. So this is
Yeah,
all.
voila. The toothpick.
You can use toothpick to eat it or tenedor.
Oh, voila. Cesa. Want a picture? A video. Sarap? Okay.
Muy bueno.
So that's pulpo a la gallego. Gallega. Gallego.